Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve emulated on Instagram app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Instagram, and you can click. Then this page you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage and you can click. After that you can click clear cache. Sorry, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.